So for this video, I'm doing another 3 months favorite. So yeah, let's just get started. I want to start from the beauty. I have skincare and makeup favorite for this month. I actually have a lot of skincare favorite, but I wanna do skincare brand review. Like I test this brand for like a month and I really like it, so I wanna do that. But one of the product that I really love and I think it's been working amazing is this Daily Secret 95% galactomyces from the Bad Box. It's local brand. I don't think you can purchase this if you don't live in Indonesia, but this is amazing. This is the first galactomyces that I've tried and I'm obsessed with galactomyces, and I think I wanna buy all of the skincare that has galactomyces ingredient in it because it's working so amazing. I don't know if you noticed, but my skin texture is just so fucking smooth after I use this. I think galactomyces or feminine skincare that I've tried, it's been amazing. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm obsessed with skincare now instead of makeup. So yeah, the next skincare that I want to talk about is this Body Shop Ethiopian Honey Mask. I really like this. Oh, by the way, I've tried to do like clay mask with the what's called apple cider vinegar, and I fucking burned my face because I didn't mix apple cider vinegar with water. Oh my god, I fucking burned my cheek and it's so red. And I applied this. It kind of stings first, but it's really moisturized and it's just make the process of the yuckiness on my cheek is gone so fast, and I really like this. Okay, now we'll get into the makeup. Okay, starting from this is the Body Shop Shimmer Cubes. This is a spring, I don't know, few years ago. I really like this. It has silver, orange, pink and green. This lime green is so cute. I hate green shade, but the only green that I love is lime green, so this is perfect. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this. I use this a lot. The next palette that I want to talk about is this Tartelette palette by Tarte. This is the In Bloom one. It's so good. I've never tried this before and I'm obsessed with this. It has a lot of neutral shade because I love neutral, and what I like about this, it has a shimmer shade instead of all matte like the first palette. I really like this and I use this a lot this past 3 months. The next palette that I want to talk about is this Violet Force Laurali palette. I think I've talked about it few months ago. I don't know if I already put it on my favorite or not, but I love this for past 3 months, so I'm putting it again. It looks like this. It has a lot of gorgeous color. I love this yellow. It's so vibrant. I love these 3 orange mattes. I'm obsessed with this palette. The pigmentation is really good and the quality is just really good as well. Another palette that I wanna talk about is, I know it's so much palette because I love palette instead of face makeup. This is the Sigma Warm Neutral palette. I'm obsessed with this. Every look that I created from this palette, it's been amazing. Like, even though I don't know what I'm doing, I just mix all of this shade and it turned out really good. I don't know why. It's pretty basic, but it's so good. The pigmentation is so good. It's so smooth on the lid. It's so easy to use this. Okay, the last palette that I want to talk about is this Jeffree Star Under Genie palette. I love this too as well. I think I use this a lot for this past 3 months tutorial because I'm obsessed with this and I can put it down. The color, it's so good for spring or summer. It's so colorful and fun. If you want to use some green, it has like aqua bluish green color, and it has military green. The pen size is so big, like what the heck, I cannot finish this. I'm pretty sure I cannot finish this. So yeah, now let's get into the movie slash TV show. The first thing that I want to talk about is this series called Freakish. I found it on iFlix. It's kind of like Netflix but Asian, and I watched this series. It has a lot of YouTuber in it, so I'm kind of like interested. I want to see how they act, and I'm obsessed with it, and I cannot wait for the season 3. I don't know if they will continue to make it, because the final season of the season 2 is kind of like what the heck. So I'm pretty sure they made that season 3. If not, I will sue them. It has Lisa Koshy and bunch of YouTubers. I think it has like Nikki from Nikki and Gaby. And yeah, okay, for the movie, I really like the Jurassic World 2 because it's so good and it's so sweet. I really like this movie. I think I like the second movie more than the first one. The first one is kind of like the second movie is really good. Okay, the next two movie, you probably like, what the heck, you don't even watch drama romantic movie? Sometimes I do, but in a lot of cases I watch them because of accident or because I'm bored, so I watch it. Okay, the first romantic movie that I love for this 3 months is The Space Between Us. It kind of came up in my television, and I kind of watch it like accidentally, and I'm obsessed with it. And every time it came on my TV, I watch it again because I'm obsessed with it. Okay, the next romantic movie that I love is Before I Fall. It's kind of like biased because I love Zoe Dutch. I love everything that have her in the movie. I think she's my favorite actress after Lily Collins. I'm obsessed with Zoe Dutch, so I try to watch it and I love it. Okay, now moving on to the music. Okay, the first song that I want to talk about is The Light Is Coming by Ariana Grande. At first, I hated it. Like, I hated it, and I tried to listen to it. Even though I hate it, I tried to listen to it, and I repeat it all the time. But now I love it. Like, it's kind of messing up my mind. It's one of that song that you hate it at first. After few listen, you kind of obsessed with it. So yeah, this is one of the songs. I'll talk about EP from Madison Beer. I love Madison Beer. I don't really like first era of Madison Beer because it's kind of not her, if you know what I mean. I don't think she became herself when what's called the melody. I forgot the song, but I remember that song is like so cheesy and I hate it. When this new EP released, it has a lot of new songs that I love, and I love all of this song from this EP. I feel like she is herself right now. The next song that I want to talk about is Demi Lovato Sober. I love Demi Lovato since Camp Rock. Like, I'm obsessed with her. Until now, I love Demi Lovato. So every song that she put out, I will listen to it. And I love it, this song so much. Every Demi Lovato song, I feel like she's honest with herself and with her music. So yeah, I love her. Okay, now we'll get into the food. For the food, I really love chia seed. I put it everywhere. On my bread, on my oatmeal, on my rice. I put it everywhere and it tastes so good. So yeah. Oh, and I don't have random favorite for this past 3 months. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video. I'll never be the same. Sneaking in LA when the lights are
edge, I could overdose.